On February 24th, 2024, a seemingly routine traffic stop on a Florida highway escalated into a volatile confrontation, culminating in multiple charges against the driver. The incident unfolded when a Florida Highway Patrol officer observed a vehicle traveling at an excessive speed of 100 miles per hour, swerving between lanes, posing a clear danger to other motorists. The officer approached the driver, a middle-aged woman who admitted to consuming a glass of wine an hour before driving.
Hi, how you doing?
I am so sorry. I'm just trying to go back to my hotel, and I know I was speeding. I'm so sorry.
You got your driver's license, registration, proof, and insurance? Well, how much have you had to drink tonight? Well, I mean, you're going well over 100 miles an hour. You didn't even realize you passed me, and you're swerving all over the road. So, I mean, it's kind of a problem right now.
No, I know. It was more that I was looking at the GPS trying to figure out where I was going.
Her admission, coupled with the erratic driving behavior, led the officer to suspect impairment. Despite having probable cause to arrest her for DUI, the officer extended a degree of leniency. He conducted field sobriety tests, and though the results indicated impairment, the officer decided not to immediately arrest her.
What I ask you to do is to perform some field sobriety exercises, okay?
Okay.
I want to make sure that you're safe to drive.
That's fine.
Okay?
Yeah.
So what I need you to do is put your feet together.
I'm sorry, I really see it.
Say it again?
I said I can see it, I just can't really follow it, but
Okay, do you have any issues with your eyes?
I have contacts in.
You have contacts in?
Yes.
But your eyes are fine? You don't have any other issues?
No, I don't, but sometimes it's hard to follow, but I can follow it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn around, right? 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay.
Whatever, 28,000, 29,000, 31,000, 41,000, 31,000, I'm sorry. 31,000.
All right, you can go ahead and put your foot down.
Instead, he offered her a break, allowing her to call someone to pick her up and take her car home, avoiding the severe penalties that come with a DUI charge and vehicle impoundment.
Is there someone that can come pick you up? Do you have someone that can pick you up?
My son can.
Your son can pick you up?
Yeah.
He hasn't been drinking tonight?
No, my gosh, no.
Okay. All right. Here's the deal. Okay. Even though you argue with me all the way down here.
I didn't argue with you.
You told me you were being investigated for DUI because you're white.
I said that, but I didn't argue with you.
I mean, that's kind of...
But I didn't argue with you, but I did say that.
Mm-hmm. So even though all that happened, okay, I don't think you're impaired to the point that I should arrest you, but you are impaired enough that I'm not going to let you drive away from here. So if you want to call your son and have him come pick your car up, pick you up, I will allow that to happen. What I will say is, once you get to your hotel, okay, and he leaves you there, don't take your car out again.
I have no reason. I'm only here for my son. He plays football. There's no other reason for me to be here.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Where's your phone?
In my car.
All right.
Or in my rental car.
All right. Go ahead and grab your phone. Call your son.
The driver called a friend she had recently met, who agreed to pick her up, and she also arranged for her son to come retrieve her car. However, as they waited, the woman's demeanor shifted dramatically.
Hello.
Hey, where about are you?
I'm relatively close by your place.
Okay, so listen, I got pulled over, and they're not gonna let me drive. So if you can come where I'm at, I know it's so crazy, it's so ridiculous.
Yeah, I mean, are you going to be able to send me your location?
I was trying to send it to you earlier, and I couldn't figure out how to send it to you.
You're on Forest Hill Boulevard and 441, just south of the intersection.
Forest Hill Boulevard
and 441.
And 441?
Just south of the intersection.
Just south of the intersection, if that means anything to you, I don't know. Is there, can I, pull in, at least, somewhere? No? Okay. And I'm so sorry. I know it's so weird for us to meet like this. It's just so bizarre.
And if you have someone that you can bring to drive her vehicle, that would be perfect.
I definitely can. I got it.
That's okay. Just come and like we'll figure it out after. So what I'm gonna do is like when he comes, I'm gonna go get my son.
Who's gonna go get your son?
When he picks me up, we'll
Okay.
go get my son to come pick me up.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah.
That sounds a lot better.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, so how far are you from here?
25 minutes.
25 minutes.
Okay, that's fine.
So 25 minutes, he said.
Okay. All right. Just turn the car off.
She began to hurl insults at the officers, accusing them of targeting her because she was white. Her accusations escalated into threats and verbal abuse, creating a tense and increasingly hostile atmosphere.
Yeah.
Like I was telling her, I mean, you've got indicators of impairment, but not enough for me to arrest you and take you to gun club, okay? So I'm gonna let you slide tonight. You're gonna go home.
You're not letting me slide, like, you're like...
You are. You're not getting arrested. You're not getting a ticket.
Because there's, like you just said, there's not enough for you to do that.
It's enough for me to tell you not to drive your vehicle.
Right, and
That's
I'm
why
not
I'm
going to
saying
drive
that.
it. That's why
Okay.
I called my son.
That's why I said we're letting you slide. We're not taking
But
your
that's
car.
not letting me
We're
slide.
not arresting you.
Because
okay?
you don't have enough. That's what you're saying. Like, it
He
doesn't
could've
make
wrote
sense.
you a bunch
Now,
of
why are you
tickets,
still
too.
arguing with me? I'm
I'm
just
not
telling
even.
you. We're
I'm
giving
not
you a break.
arguing with you. I'm not arguing
Okay.
with you. You just said I'm letting her know that there's not enough for me to let you.
To
I'm
take
sorry.
you to jail. Yes.
Jail. That's so disrespectful on so many levels. You don't know
It
my
is
background.
It
for
is.
you to say that to
It
him.
is. No,
and
it
for
is.
you to say that to me. You don't know
It
my
is.
background. You don't know his background.
First of all, I wasn't talking to you.
I don't care. You're talking to my partner. Let's get that first fact.
Listen.
Second of all, when he says you slide,
First of
he
all,
should have wrote you a bunch
let
of
me-
tickets.
let
So
me
go
get
No,
sit
don't
down
go on
in
the
car.
road.
Are you on your way? I'm gonna tell you what. This fucking little motherfucker, as like I said nothing to them, and this little wants to talk shit to me. Yep. No. And as soon as I recorded, she shut her mouth. Yeah, she has no idea who the fuck we are. But anyway, just get your ass here because this will be taken care of after you pick me up. But I'm so sick of fucking racism and this. She was literally in my face, and she's like, "You don't know me," and I'm like, "Oh, she has no idea." Yep, and they're telling me they're recording it.
The officers, maintaining professional composure, attempted to de-escalate the situation. However, the woman's behavior continued to deteriorate, crossing from verbal insults into physical aggression.
Why don't you get back in my face like you were before?
Ma'am,
What happened
can
with
you
that?
stop?
No, why was she in my face like that?
Can you stop?
No, but why were
Talk
you in
to
my
your
face like
son.
that?
Give your son the address where you're at.
Oh, he's gonna come,
So he can come here and get you.
but don't get in my face like that.
She's not in your
She
face.
was though.
Can you stop?
She f***ing was though.
Now,
You don't
knock
f***ing
off.
know me, bitch. I was f***ing cool. I didn't say a f***ing thing. Don't get in my face, cause you don't f***ing know me. You think you're a f***ing cop and you f***ing talk to me like that? You little bitch. I record it because I don't give a f***. Make sure you had a, cause listen, I don't f*** with nobody.
Like I said, the
I have a good f***ing heart. I don't f*** with nobody. But don't get in my face like that, you bitch. No, did you have that when she was in my face? Did you have that when she was in my face? LJ, come get me, cause no, she was literally in my face talking shit. She doesn't know me. She's like, you don't know what I've been through. You don't know what I've been through. You think you're a cop and you could just talk to me like that?
Christina, stop.
No, because you don't know. No, she did. She was talking to me and you f***ing know it. No, it's funny. But this isn't done. This is not done. Because you don't know me. She was in my face. And you know she was. And I'm so sick of these fucking, you know what? Because I'm fucking white. You want to play the fucking black card? Because I'm white and this cop is black. That's what it is. And his, whatever, she's fucking Spanish, talking to my face. I'm so sick of this shit. And fucking funny now. You want to keep your fucking mouth shut. Fucking America, you're the fucking minority as a white motherfucker in this fucking in America. Dumb immigrants here, and you can get every fucking thing you want. This fucking bitch too. Like she's lucky she's in her uniform, because I'll smack the fucking shit out of her. She thinks she's gonna talk to me in my face because she got a fucking uniform on and a fucking gun in her fucking what? But how do you? I mean, obviously you have my location, right? Or just tell him to drive here. All you have to do is come get the car. That's it. No, I'm so sick of these stupid motherfuckers looking at me. I'm so stupid. Like, so fucking sick of it. You know, because I'm white and they're fucking black and Spanish or whatever this bitch is. I'm so fucking sick of this in fucking America that I gotta be treated like a fucking immigrant.
When the officers moved to detain her for her escalating threats, she resisted violently, physically injuring one of the officers in the process.
Funny you're keeping your mouth shut because you're recording. I know you're recording me, but did you get her talking to me? That little bitch. I'll fucking shot you, little fucking douchebag.
All right, man, that's fair. Go ahead and put the phone
No,
down.
listen, let me just talk to my son, please.
Put the phone down.
Please stop. Just give me my phone. Where
Go ahead
is
and
it?
have a seat.
No, where's my phone?
Christina, have a seat in the car.
Give me my phone so I can talk to my son.
Have a seat.
No, you need to stop harassing me. This is sexual harassment. Don't touch my leg.
Christina, have a seat in the car.
You're sexually harassing me.
Look away from me.
No, oh yeah, you want
Put
get
your feet
get the
inside.
get the taser away from me.
Put your feet inside.
No, just loosen it. I'm not.
That's not.
I'm not doing anything.
Ma'am,
So you
I
have
can't
it.
even see
You
the
have it
keyhole
on.
to loosen it.
I'm telling you.
You're
For resisting an officer with violence, Florida statute SS 843.01 is a third-degree felony in Florida, charged when someone willfully resists or obstructs a law enforcement officer with violence. The penalties include up to 5 years in prison, 5 years of probation, and a 5 years of probation, and a $5,000 fine. Similarly, battery on a law enforcement officer, Florida statute SS 784.07, is also a third-degree felony involving the intentional striking or touching of an officer during the performance of their duties, with identical penalties. Corruption by threat, Florida statute SS 838.021, is a second-degree felony charged when a person threatens an officer to influence their duties. This offense carries more severe penalties, including up to 15 years in prison, 15 years of probation, and a $10,000 fine. Assault on a law enforcement officer, Florida statute SS 784.07. A first-degree misdemeanor. Involves threatening violence against an officer. Punishable by up to 1 year in jail, 1 year probation, and a $1,000 fine. Seems like this woman just landed herself in hot water, but this is not the worst case. Just wait until you see this next one. On February 8th, 2022, a birthday celebration took a drastic turn for two women who were arrested following allegations of theft and disorderly conduct at a bar in Key West, Florida. The incident, which began with accusations of taking money from a DJ's tip jar, culminated in their detainment and subsequent legal charges.
Okay, he's actually pissed off because he took tip money out of a jar.
What did I do with that?
Hey, don't talk. Hey,
Stop.
talk to
Stop.
me.
Stop.
I'm the one asking you questions.
Charge me for money. I have no money.
So, like I was saying before you rudely walk away from me,
I didn't rudely walk away. I didn't know
I
I had
was
to stay
talking
with
to you.
Okay.
he doesn't give a shit about what you said.
Okay.
What his complaint was is that you walked out with money from a
And
tip jar.
I gave it back to him.
The evening began with what appeared to be a lighthearted celebration. However, the situation escalated when bar staff accused two women of pilfering from a DJ's tip jar. Officers were called to the scene after the women, who were reportedly intoxicated, were escorted out of the bar for questioning. The women, one of whom was in a bathing suit, expressed their frustration and confusion about the allegations, arguing that they had not committed theft.
I felt like he was offending me as well.
Okay.
He said I was being annoying. I have no idea.
So because you're offended, that gives you a right to break the law?
I didn't know that was a law.
How do you know not to steal shit? That's a law. It doesn't matter what country you go to.
Well, I didn't steal it. I left it in the bar.
You took it away from me. It doesn't matter if it's for 5 seconds, 5 hours, 5 years. The state statute says you deprived him of his belongings. There is no time limit.
I didn't understand that law, and I left the money.
During their interaction with the police, the women repeatedly denied stealing the money. One of them claimed that she only briefly took the money and put it back. Their response was marked by agitation and defiance. They argued with the officers, questioning the legitimacy of the charges and expressing dissatisfaction with the police handling of the situation. Their emotional responses include accusations of discrimination and claims that their rights were being infringed upon.
Okay, she's telling me she put the money back in the jar.
No, like I just told Randy, I said I had more money in the jar. I just found this on when we were coming out.
Okay.
There was more money in there. I've been in since 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
In my tip jar. There's nothing else in the tip jar at all.
Okay.
This is the only thing I have left that I found on the ground.
Okay. She's telling me that she got offended or pissed off or whatever,
Yeah.
and then took the money out of the jar for a second and then put it back. So
No, This was on the ground.
Okay.
And like I said, everybody over there at Rock House saw it. That's why even the bouncer and all of them saw her, because I stayed at Rock House the whole time.
Yeah.
And I went upstairs, I told Corey, the owner, I was like, "Dog,
Do we have video? Do we have any video?
I don't know if they have video of it. I don't know.
Okay. All right. So, do you want to press charges?
I don't even know how much money it is. If it's not, if it wasn't like $100, I don't. You know what I mean? I don't know.
It doesn't matter the value. I mean, it's still theft. She took it from you. She deprived you of your belongings. So it doesn't matter if it's 5 seconds, 5 minutes, 5 hours, just like I told her.
Okay.
So I mean, she's telling me she put it back. I don't know, unless I have video to prove otherwise. I'm gonna go talk to him, but we'll see. So do you want to press charges?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see your ID real quick.
As part of the investigation, officers reviewed security footage and interviewed witnesses. The women's claims were scrutinized in light of the evidence.
Nobody took anything. Nobody stole anything. Nobody took anything out of that building.
She admitted to taking money out of the tip jar. She just admitted it.
And she put it right back in.
Still at that.
Well, I didn't.
Okay, then we'll look at the video. Lisa, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands on your back. Hang on, sir. Hang up the phone. Hang up the phone.
Hey,
Hang up
was I turned around?
No.
They said the one in the black shirt is call Erica. Yeah. What's she saying? Yeah, so she will have it.
Back up.
Why? I can't give her her phone.
I'm gonna put you in handcuffs.
Go.
I can't.
I'm gonna go with her.
This is her
Back
phone.
up.
I'm gonna
Back
put
up.
her phone in her
Back
pocket.
up. Nope. I'm done.
Man, place your hands behind your back.
No, for
Place your hands behind your back.
what?
Stop resisting.
I told you.
Oh my God.
Give me your hand.
I'm gonna put my
Give me
phone.
your hand.
Stop.
Give me your hand.
Stop tensing up, ma'am.
Give me your hand.
I'm gonna put my phone in my bag.
No, you're not.
Give me your hand.
I'm gonna
Let
put
go of
my
the purse.
phone in my bag.
Let go of the purse.
Oh my God, are you serious?
Yes, I'm very serious.
All right, there. I'm putting my
Let go of the purse. I told you at least 5 times to back up to the sidewalk, or I was going to put you in handcuffs. Put
pulling
your
away.
stomach on the building.
Despite their insistence on innocence, the police maintained that the act of briefly taking the money constituted theft. The officers explained that, according to Florida law, the act of depriving someone of their property, even momentarily, fell under the definition of theft. Under Florida Statute 812.014, theft is defined as knowingly obtaining or using someone else's property with the intent to permanently deprive the owner of it. The law clarifies that even if the property is returned, the initial act of taking it still constitutes theft. Petty theft is classified as a misdemeanor if the value of the stolen property is less than $750. However, if the value exceeds this amount, it can escalate to a felony. Penalties for petty theft typically include up to 1 year in jail, a maximum fine of $1,000, and restitution to the victim. Disorderly conduct, as outlined in Florida Statute 877.03, involves actions that disrupt public peace or order. This statute encompasses behaviors such as making unreasonable noise or engaging in brawling in public places. Such conduct is considered a misdemeanor, which can result in penalties including up to 60 days in jail, a fine of up to $500, and community service. In addition, Florida Statute 843.02 addresses the offense of resisting a law enforcement officer without violence. This statute covers actions like refusing to comply with lawful orders or obstructing an officer's duties. It is categorized as a misdemeanor with potential penalties including up to 1 year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. Let's move to this next case where things might get even worse. In a dramatic turn of events on August 24th, 2023, police responded to a domestic disturbance call involving a boyfriend and his reportedly intoxicated girlfriend in an unspecified location. The situation quickly escalated as officers arrived at the scene.
So my girlfriend was here, her phone was like all off and stuff.
She is down the street now and her dad is down there with her. But
Dealer's house, and I came here because she said she was at work.
all that, and they've been trying to get her help for a long time.
And then she came out, and then that's when I got out and was like, hey, what's going on? And I was still on the phone with the operator at this time, and she was like, hey, I don't know what I'm supposed to be showing you. She's coming back to fight everyone and beat the shit out of the cops. Coming back to fight everyone is what she edited it to. Can't believe you called the cops, of all people. Hope you never get to Streetsgate again without a pig in your way.
Upon arrival, officers encountered a chaotic scene where the girlfriend, visibly agitated and allegedly under the influence, resisted police attempts to intervene. She vehemently protested her arrest, accusing the officers of mishandling the situation and displaying incompetence.
I'm not doing anything. You have these handcuffs. What am I gonna do?
Now you're getting charged with interference. I told you. I understand that, but I'm not gonna take her trying to run away and swing at me and kick at me. You kick at me again, you're getting an additional charge.
I can't even hurt you. Tightening them. Stop tightening them on me.
Along with all of her cards.
Please, hurt.
Have a seat.
According to the transcript from the incident, the woman continuously argued with officers, refusing to cooperate and demanding explanations for her arrest. Despite officers' attempts to calm her down and explain the situation, she remained defiant and uncooperative throughout the encounter.
Okay, Sadie, I'm gonna...
It hurts so bad, please.
Okay, Sadie.
Please, it hurts. It hurts.
If you take a deep breath for a second, if you're willing to cooperate, Sadie.
No, you have me all worked up.
Like you were doing before.
Do whatever you want.
Okay, I want to check the handcuffs to make sure it's not too tight, but the only way that happens...
Do it.
Okay, turn and face towards that wall for me. Okay.
This is even
I will give
worse.
you a chance to talk.
I'm not doing anything.
Okay.
I am not doing anything. I'm not.
When you get to the station, they'll take them off, okay?
I want to read you your Miranda rights before I ask you any questions, okay?
Yeah, you should have before you put the handcuffs on me.
I don't need
If you knew how to be a cop, you would have done it before you put.
I'll afford to hire a lawyer. One will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of your rights that I've explained to you today?
No, I don't.
The woman's actions led to her being charged with multiple offenses, including domestic assault, assaulting a police officer, and interference with official acts. These charges underscored the seriousness of her conduct during the incident.
I will explain that to you in a
Please
second.
just come out and talk to you like a normal human being.
Nope, we're past that. Because you've kicked at me, you've proven that you can't be cooperative,
Okay,
we're past
isn't
that.
your job to know how to deal with that shit? I'm a 100-pound white bitch. You guys haven't listened to a single word. Do you see the marks on me?
Yes or no?
Amendment.
Sadie, you tell them.
Fifth Amendment!
Tell them I can take your car or it's going to be towed.
Following her arrest, the legal process unfolded as she was processed and informed of her rights, including the right to remain silent and the right to legal representation. Despite initial resistance, she was taken into custody and faced a subsequent legal proceeding where the charges against her were formally addressed.
I wish I was double jointed so f***ing bad right now. I can't even wear it properly if you have me f***ing handcuffed. What if we f***ing crash? I'll literally die. Yeah, then you guys better not drive like.
Stop. All right. I'm going to put a hobble restraint on you and I'm going to restrain your legs if you continue.
Fine, put me in a f***ing straight jacket.
So now all I have is his side of the story to go off of, and that's why everything's going to be documented as a simple. Okay. Now, if you want to tell me what. Okay.
Paddy wagon.
They're on their way here now. Okay. Do you have any questions for me, or any more questions?
The aftermath of the incident highlights the repercussions of her actions. Being charged with such offenses not only led to immediate legal consequences, but also potentially significant long-term implications for her personal and legal standing.
The back of the car?
Just right here. Okay. That's fine, right there.
Well, I can't really.
I gave you a chance, and then you continued. You continued to kick at me. The first time I was going to let go of, but you continued to kick at me, and that's a problem.
Overall, the incident serves as a poignant reminder of the complexities and challenges faced by law enforcement officers in handling volatile situations. It also underscores the importance of cooperation and adherence to legal protocols during police encounters to mitigate escalating tensions and ensure procedural fairness. According to Florida statutes, the woman involved in this incident may face several serious penalties. Charges such as resisting arrest without violence, outlined in Florida statutes SS 843.02, could result in a first-degree misdemeanor charge. Penalties for this offense may include up to 1 year in jail, probation, and fines up to $1,000. Additionally, charges related to assault on a police officer and interference with official acts could further complicate her legal situation. These charges highlight the potential consequences of her actions, underscoring the importance of legal compliance and cooperation during police interactions under Florida law.